Hi everybody, my name is Richard Benoit and I'm here to present you my second video, Supergreen Interlock versus Planet Earth Part 2, Climate Challenge. Some people are going to ask themselves, why did this guy have to say anything about climate change? In 1979, although I had a very good valid driver license, I didn't drive till I was 30. Everywhere I went, I ran. You can't drive a bike in the snow in Montreal, so I ran. A lot of people ran with me. I was like Forrest Gump back in the day. I didn't know Forrest Gump. I just knew that I was not getting a car for carbon footprints. But carbon footprints did not exist even then. That was in 79, 40 years ago. I've been conscious of this planet. I haven't eaten fish in 40 years because I saw a boat grabbing all the fish in the ocean and just killing them all just to get what they wanted, and I was devastated to see that on TV, and I stopped eating fish, boycott their abusive behavior. So now I've planted my trees in the 86 to 90s, 4 years of tree planting in the 80s. So my carbon footprints were clean until I hit 30 and I started driving. But I had paid for my carbon footprints before they even existed. So now that we have this problem with global warming, this big patch of warm water off the coast of British Columbia is the direct result of salt. Salt is in the water and has access to the ice that's floating in it at 90% of it. Water is 800 times thicker than air. So you're talking 800 times eating it at it to melt it down. 2017, biggest storm in Vancouver for a long time. What happened? They went over 1 million tons of salt to get rid of the problems over 2 months. Then next year, a bunch of orcas died, killer whales, and fish. Next thing you know, 2019, we have a big patch of warm water. The scientists don't know. The scientists don't know that 800 times 9 is 7,200. They put 1 million tons of salt. You have to multiply 7,200 times 1 million to give you the amount of carbon footprints they put in the ocean. Now, I found out that each time there's a ton of carbon pollution in the air, half of it gets absorbed by the ocean and trees. So we're gonna double this number here. That's what we'll do. Let's see what it says. Yeah, that's better. So every ton of salt equals 14,400 tons of carbon pollution. So they're saying it's too late to solve the problem, of course. But if you use this formula, 14,400 times better than this little air, what are you going to put a fan and cool it down? We are putting salt no matter what. Each time we take a shower, use the washroom, we're putting salt in the ocean. 7 billion of us every day. We are putting too much salt in the ocean. There will be a point, there will be so much salt that ice won't be able to form. If we think about it, we can, Canada has the biggest coastline, by the way. We could pump water all the way. Oh yeah, I forgot to finish this drawing here. There's something like this, and then it goes like this, and that's Alberta. And then you get and the forest, the fires are here soon. So therefore, salt water purified to right water, puts the fires out. Everybody's happy. So I hope we can solve the solution. 14,000, maybe I'm twice right. Maybe, okay, this is too much. I gotta be at least twice as right. Twice? 14,400. I will sleep good tonight, knowing that this information is out there, and there's hope out there to solve the problem of this planet going the other way, because they're thinking that this little fad of the 10% of the is going to solve the problem. The electric cars are still going to buy a bunch of salt to get their car out of the driveway, which 1 ton of salt is 14,000 tons of CO. That's what he's going to buy in his lifetime to get his car out of the driveway. So it doesn't matter if it's electric or not anymore. Don't buy salt anymore. Good luck with that. If you're going to buy salt, every city that uses salt has to take it out twice the amount they put in for the next 50 years just to balance things out. You don't like me anymore? It's okay. I am going to sleep really good tonight. You can see I haven't slept in many years. But now, if you watch my first video, you'll see that I put styrofoam and garbage in the bricks. But this time I'm putting salt in it. And you will not believe what I'm putting in the next video in my bricks. You will not believe it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a good night. Do the math. Make a video and challenge me. Because I'm challenging the planet Earth here. You're going to come in videos and say, oh, Richard, you're wrong and you're an idiot. That's what I want to see. Let's have some fun here. Have somebody with some spice. Attacking planet Earth with these lawyers ain't going to work. Oh yeah, what does he do? Oh, you want to pollute the world? Give some money, pay money to the lawyers, and then that'll be all good. That's how you do it. Oh yeah, the lawyers must be good. They're getting all the money, and we're going to die. I got better plans. I want to start a foundation, a fundraiser for the Earth. It's called WISER. World Independent Strategic Environmental Rescue. Because if we wait for those lawyers and politicians and all these bureaucrats and red tape to get anything done, we'll be waiting till it's too late. They already knew that. If I know that, they know that. They've chemists, they got physics, they know salt does 14,400 times more damage than any ton of carbon. And by the way, what if you take the carbon also out of the water and the salt? That means it would be, wait a minute, that would make it 28.8 thousand times better than their idiot carbon. That's my plan. Okay, yeah, that's the plan. Thank you for watching this video. Watch the first video. You'll see what a brick is to put the salt inside. Thank you. Good night.